How to set up your cake board. Hello and welcome back. I'm Yvette Faruja, and today we're going to be chatting about how we like to set up our cake boards. Now, we like to place the cake board under the main cake board to make it easier to transport the cake, especially for the larger, heavier designs. Here we have a loyal 14-inch white masonite board, and we are gluing a smaller cake board, which is 2 to 3 inches smaller, to the bottom of this. This will make it easier to get your fingers under the main board to lift and transport your cake. Now, we use a hot glue gun, so always make sure you have a spare glue stick nearby, as they use up quite quickly. Working quickly, place the glue all over the baseboard on the silver side. Then flip it over and press it securely onto the baseboard, onto your larger board. Flip your boards right way up and continue to press firmly. This is great for the large single cakes and for 2 and 3 tier cakes, which are heavy and difficult to lift and reposition. So we hope this helps, and if you'd like to comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Hello friend, did you know that we have a vast variety of online tutorials and PDF guides available for download from our shop on www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com. If you're looking to learn more for all types of things in the cake industry, from making your perfect sugar cookies to buttercream to decorating to tips and tricks, we've got you covered. So pop onto our shop on our website at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.